Hello, this video is part of our extensive how-to series on using swipe pages. Here we'll be taking a look at all the modules we have and how you can use them. If you're looking to just get started, we have different videos on the basics of the builder itself. Essentially, modules are your innermost blocks of content within your landing page. This could be anything from images to headers or even buttons. To add a module, you have two options. You can add a module into this column either by clicking on the plus and choosing the right module, or by dragging the module out from the left panel. What are the modules you can choose from? Modules can be roughly divided into two groups: multi-level and single-level modules. Let's take a look at what single-level modules we've got here, shall we? Single-level modules can be used individually and are something like the basic building blocks of your page. We have headings, which can be used to add headings and titles to your page. We have various levels to headings, from H1 through to H6, and these can be used for better customization. Then we have the text module, which is mostly self-explanatory. You can edit the fonts, colors, and styles on the left panel here as you double-click the module. Then you have my personal favorite, buttons. Buttons, like all other modules, can have many styles. The buttons here can be connected to a simple URL, or you could link it to an image or video that gets opened up in a lightbox when clicked. Next up, we have icons. Swipe pages comes preloaded with a large set of icons, so you can forget all about paying for basic icon packs. Your icons can also act like buttons, linked to URLs or lightboxes. Next up, the video module. All you need is a link to your video. It could be on YouTube, Vimeo, or even self-hosted. Simply paste the link in and you're good to go. Now, if you want to add a form to your page, all you have to do is to drag the form module onto your grid. On the left panel, you can change the form components, your redirect URLs, and your submission message. Now that we've taken a look at regular forms, let's look at our more popular form type, the order form. The order form comes in handy if you want to add e-commerce functionality to your page. Say you're launching something new and exciting. You'd want your customers to join in on the anticipation. You can add a countdown timer and set it to change live as you draw closer to your launch. Simply drag the countdown time onto your page and set the end date and time on the left panel. On similar lines, you can have a counter that counts up to prices or registrations to add a pinch of excitement. You can add an image carousel if you have a lot of images that you want to share with potential customers, but you don't want to clutter your page. You can add your images on the left panel, and the module takes care of displaying it well. If you have data that needs to be depicted through tables, you could do that through this module right here. It works just as easy as a table in Microsoft Word would. If what you need is to display price options, then we have a pricing table for just that. Here you can add images, descriptions, and prices in columns, making for a neat and updated pricing chart. You can edit each piece of content by double-clicking it. Building trust with potential customers can be an upward battle. Testimonials makes the process a little bit easier. You can use the testimonial slider module to add customer stories onto your page. You can edit each individual testimonial by clicking into it from the left panel. Do you have way too many great features? Use accordion toggles or tabs to add in all your features without flooding your page with obvious content. Users can choose to read up on what they need the most. Finally, in the off chance that you did not find your perfect fit through all these modules, you can even add in some custom code. Drag in the custom code block and add in your HTML code on the left panel. That wraps up all of our important modules. You can find more information on our documentation page and through our video series.